am Cheer Ariston and I am here at Barangay Balabago, Haro, Iloilo City. And I will be sharing with you today the construction update of SMDC Glade Residences.
Before we go to the site, samahan niyo po ako sa ating showroom. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang ating scale model. So, Glade Residences is the second residential project by SMDC launched in Iloilo City in December 2021. Again, located po siya on Circumferential Road 1, Barangay Balabago, Haro, Iloilo City. The whole project covers 36,517 square meters. It consists of 11 mid-rise buildings, each with 4 floors. There are 1,929 units and 314 parking lots for sale. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa site. We can see here na ongoing po ang construction ni Glade Residences. And ang alam ko po, they work overtime hanggang late night. As we all know, Glade Residences is just right beside the future big SM Mall here in Haro, Iloilo. The exciting part here is that they are starting na magtambak ng lupa for the construction of the SM Mall. There it is. The area of the future SM Mall is 3 times the size of Glade Residences. Ganyan po siya kalaki. Excited ba kayo sa ating new SM Mall? Ako, I'm super excited kasi nga bigger siya. More stores to shop at, restaurants to dine in, and more exciting perks and entertainment to look forward to. So once the construction of the SM Mall starts, I am sure the units will sell out even faster and the prices will increase as our property investment appreciates and also more establishments will soon rise in this area. Yung roads po natin, yung mga daan, are also prepared na for future development. And the construction of Glade Residences is progressing quickly. There we have Towers A, I, J, K, and H. Si Tower A and si Tower I are already sold out even though we are still in the pre-selling stage. And Towers J, K, and H are almost sold out na rin. So if we have plans to invest or buy a unit, it is better to do it now while the prices still have zero VAT. We can save 12% of the total price and choose the units we like. Thanks for joining me today. Don't miss out on this investment opportunity. Remember, the best time to buy is now while prices are still low. For more updates, exclusive sneak peeks, and all the latest news, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section, send us a message, or reach out to us at 63915-006-9754. Stay tuned and see you in the next vlog.